Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Do you need a motorcycle license to drive any of these?
No, these are all under the e-bike law, so these are bicycles. That's why they have pedals on them, even when you don't think they should. So they've got certain things like 500 watt motor, independent braking, got to wear a helmet, 16. So no license at all. Like zero. They're in the same category as a bicycle. They should. It's coming. It's coming. Some provinces you can license these, but right now they don't have a 17-digit serial number or VIN number. Excuse me. That's why you can't. Those over there, the Califin, you should be able to insure those. But yeah, that's the kind of the beauty of these is there's no insurance, no license. But you need to be 16 and wear a helmet, and you need to be respectful. That's really the key to the game.